Why does this work? What do we get if we take molarity times volume? Moles. So basically the moles before equal the moles after, okay? And this is a calculation you need to be able to do in your sleep, blindfolded with a hand tied behind your back, okay? Like it's like a basic tool of chemistry that you're gonna use all the time, okay? So we have, where did I put it? No, not that one. It's in the binder. Okay. So we have, ooh, dilution, page 51, okay. So let us just try a few examples here on page 53, page 53. You can use whichever method you want on page 53. Don't copy me. Do your own thing. I'm going to show you 3 different methods up here, okay? Whoops. So you can do any method that you like. The mole method, I did it in millimoles, but you don't have to do it in millimoles. You could just do it in regular moles. Okay, if you did regular moles, you would just not have the milli here and here and here and here. But you notice the milli cancels out if you want to do it that way. You don't have to show this bit, but sometimes I find that I get confused about which one's which if I don't do that to start with. But you don't, it's not required that you show that. You can just go straight to this bit over here, okay? The Noon method for doing a straightforward dilution is my favorite just because it makes the most sense to me, because I'm using a dilution factor. I started with 250 milliliters, I finished with 295. That's the fraction that my concentration is going to be. I don't know why that works in my head. If it doesn't work for you in your head like that, then you can be like, no, I like a different method. Okay? Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. And in order to say diluted, like the little DIL at the bottom is a fairly standard way of saying this is my diluted concentration. Okay. Now, the only thing with the Noon method is that, you know, it doesn't work as well if it's like, what volume of stock solution do you need? Right? Because then instead of finding the diluted concentration, you're finding the old concentration, or you're finding the old volume. So M1V1 is a little bit more flexible in that regard. Not that you can't reorganize Noon. Do you guys think you could make a solution? If I told you to make a 0.45, if I told you to make (100 milliliters of 0.8 molar NaCl. Could you do it? How would you do that? Describe to your partner. Is there any original solution here? No. So there's no original solution here. So is this a dilution problem? No. See if you can do the calculation and then figure out which pieces of equipment you would need. Did you get 4.68 grams of sodium chloride? Okay, because there's no way, you don't have a solution, you don't have a starting solution, so you're not doing a dilution. You have to start with solid sodium chloride, which means you need a mass. I would like you to go and get any equipment you think you would need to make this solution. Go get it.
Okay, let's go. I'm thinking water. Oh, you got the big one. Yeah. You are the biggest. The one that's double. We're all why do you want to do this? No. I'm the victim. We're the fight the victim. I don't know. Cheers. Well, you did that. Why would you use the water? I thought it was considered value. Oh, right. I guess so. Not too bad. We just yeah, we're doing it right now. I don't have it.
So, no,
Hey, it's all good.
Yo, Jeremy. You do not need a pipette. I don't know what you're planning to pipette for. You do not need it. No.
You don't need that?
What?
Two grams is just a little water. Oh, this is broken. That's kind of dangerous.
That's great.
Where do I get this gold water?
No, because if you walk around
We don't have a pipette. So
Jeremy,
Folks,
put away the Erlenmeyer flask.
if you have an Erlenmeyer flask, you do not need one. Put it away. Damn.
So we put this on first, right? And then we put it down.
Where'd you get that?
It's for all the others. Are you serious? Look for the one at
Yes, wonderful.
So then we need
We need the.
on the one where.
I can get that for you.
I don't know what it is.
Yellow.
There's no water.
No, it's one of the
You go right to the stair again.
Not the water, bro.
You're eating that iPhone?
Do you have a beaker? Ah,
Oh no. I just help. Well, because we need some
Yo, dude. You see some milk?
You're gonna turn it around so.
We're just making ourselves quick. We're
I
making
just put it there. You don't have to. Ladies and gentlemen, I need your attention for a second. If you do not yet have a powder funnel, you will want a powder funnel. It's the one with the wide base. But these powder funnels, please watch. These powder funnels do not fit nicely, so you're going to have to hold them like that. They don't actually go in, you'll just have to hold it in position. They're on the counter.
This thing over there, this thing weighs.
What is it?
Wait, do we need water?
Oh, you're up.
So we have to move this.
I don't know, we'll figure it out. We'll come back and get
How many things?
Oh, no, you have to.
I don't.
No, you don't even. Did you set this?
It should be zeroed with it. Yeah.
So you set it next to them, so you added 4.6.
What are you guys doing? You're weighing directly onto the measuring pad? You can kind of get away with it because it's salt, but let's imagine it was something toxic.
If you think about it, we didn't know what 15 was going to be at.
And how it's already mad. Definitely. Or guess if they use like.
I think it was like 0.8 instead of 0.7.
Well, yeah, the two options were zero.
That seems very
That's your.
Okay, 15 mark.
Oh.
Oh, we have to read this off.
Well, we're 15.
I did this last year, and I remember feeling this
What is
because
that?
I wanted to read this one people like to for them. I didn't realize I just kept pouring.
No,
it.
they're
Like,
actually-
yeah. So the only important thing. Okay. Yeah, I think it's perfect. It's still a little off. I don't. It doesn't matter. It's never gonna because it keeps.
So how do we finish?
We're on that.
That's why.
Feels like 40%. So do we change it? I guess. Where did you get that?
You just have to add 4 grams.
Without. I think it's 4.6 cents, like 4.6 There might be step by step. Very good.
So they're gonna sum it up. I think this is not enough.
Yeah. I don't know how you do it.
Add Wait, you got it? I did wait. Small like that, like after.
Yeah, I agree with you. Let's go.
You're just, yeah, you can hold it.
I want more.
You've got to be very more. Even
Wait, and then do we have to look something?
Take like
yes, because you have let me get those.
What's that?
yeah.
Hey, where's the solvent? You getting? No, where? I'll be doing the test. At 34, 36. Academic fucking come back, baby. I'm still.
Yeah, that's the same.
Yeah, let's go.
Then everything.
That's crazy.
She's not just these regular. I know this is probably regular.
How would that?
I'm getting all the salt. You want to do one? I think she said to just use regular water.
So that.
I'll get some water.
We had. We just exploded.
I mean, that's cool. Yeah. Okay. 4.68.
That's
So I should go up to 180.
Crazy name.
Oh.
Where'd you get that?
Not yet.
Where's the snow? What's the?
Can you do it again? I want to get on.
Did you just use your? It's just salt. It's okay. But what if this wasn't just salt? Ladies and gentlemen, do we ever put our thumb on top of this and use our thumb as a cover? No. How should, once we get to this stage, once it's half full with the salt in it, what should we do to mix it? Swirl. Swirl. Do not put a top on it. Do not turn it upside down. Just swirl it. It will dissolve. You can add a little more solvent. It will dissolve.
What?
Swirl. Swirl. Not swirl, swirl.
What?
Wait 10 minutes. I'm gonna get
For real. Follow you, you still are. Yeah.
And then when it gets to the live
Because I saw it. Because you see,
I'm nervous.
Daniel. For what? I've been some.
Hi.
Are there like eyedroppers?
Are there what?
Liquid droppers.
Up there.
Yo. I was average. Yo.
Thoughts on our solution, sir? Oh, let's go. Wait, it's a bit above the line though. That's bottom of the meniscus. Is it?
Yeah.
No, it is.
Oh,
That's a really aggressive meniscus.
Why do you even warm up this strong?
Two fingers moving back. I don't know. I was just. Need me a big boy like that. Yo, you like this, bro? Balenciaga axe?
What's the solution? You must make sure that you cap it and then invert it to make sure your solution is thoroughly mixed. If you would prefer parafilm, you can have parafilm, but there are stoppers back there as well. Parafilm is always fun. And then, once you're done that,
Yeah, I remember that you said. Excuse me, Elliot.
No way they mark it.
I ever dispensed.
do you know how to do it?
Wait, you did a parafilm demonstration.
Go watch it.
Let's go.
And I'm in the materials. Oh, okay. Didn't help us. Once.
Okay, so if you're gonna parafilm, can everyone see?
Let's see what's the title.
Does it make 100 more of 200? I'll get a different.
And then you twist it, keeping the twist below the baseline. And then you bring it around, down, and twist it around. Okay? Or is it shop.com? Absolutely. Absolutely.
It's like the bottom of the line.
If anyone else wants Paracone, we've got some up here.
I'll have the parabol if it rips, then we'll do something.
Thank you.
Look.
And then, once your 0.8 molar solution is made, I would like you to dilute it to make 100 milliliters of 0.2 molar. You might need more equipment.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Wait, is there a issue that we did?
Hold on.
Oh, bro. That is cool.
Yes. So that's not going to work particularly well. We can directly do it.
I'll be going around. Maybe some of the. You have to number probably.
Oh, they're big. Yoink. Right. Yoink.
So what do we do if we feel that?
We gotta get 2, right?
One.
Really? I thought it was just.
Oh, yeah, for the other one, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
I'll also take one more just, you know.
Yeah.
So what do we do if we think one drop will make it go over and then right now it's under?
Then use a medicine dropper. Eyedropper?
Yes.
Yeah. I think you can.
Because you don't trust it. Now I have to dilute it.
Miss Spence, do we use the same solution or do we use?
Do you use what?
Do we make another solution or do we?
You're gonna use
That
this
solution?
to make this.
Okay.
Wait,
Yes.
wait, no, can we just like grab like everything and then add like 300 milliliters?
No, I want 100 milliliters.
Ah, sorry, I did not see that.
Now, are we gonna run out of volumetric flasks? That's my only question.
I think.
No, I think the problem
I like to make 100. What are we solving for? You hold it down, each do this one. I only make 100 milliliters.
I'm not sure.
Oh,
Like,
don't you just
I
like
did a math
He's
so
so
I
big.
can use so that we can use them. And I got 400.
So we're trying to find these what?
Why do they?
People actually
No, because the best system.
Are we finding? Where'd you get the film? Oh, yes. Do I have to cut it? I just grab this.
I've got 4 beats.
Wait, is that the break?
I need to feel See?
So this is
Yo, this is a flower tea, bro. This is a limited edition flower. I am not. But also, maybe saying you're it doesn't.
Sarah,
say
stop.
you're valid.
Already happened.
Red?
Okay.
No, you the red one. That's too small. Too small. Green's too small.
Hear me out.
Okay.
You don't have to stop. Yeah, that's what I think I know that.
Which video?
So basically, I think we can 25.
Wait, there you go. Everyone. I was just thinking, yeah, go with you. You want me to do it? Okay, I'll do it. Okay, I will. Okay, I'll do it. Yeah. Okay, I will.
Well, what?
It ain't feeding. Excuse me, Spencer, the green is too small.
Yo, Jeremy, he said the green was too small. No, I think they're all beautiful.
Tell me that isn't perfect. That's like
No,
perfect.
you're challenging.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Hey, Dan.
I was close to it, like.
I know.
I'm kidding, bro.
Wait.
I'm gonna get those.
We should get every aspect.
One day. See the way
I must have forgotten.
Yo, you're getting it. On the water. I see it. Yeah. You see, I see that. You're good. Oh, it came out. Yeah, it came out. Definitely doesn't help. No, because then you're looking at diluting.
We're diluting it.
Yeah, but then you only dilute the ability.
Yeah, and those are usually what are
What do you mean?
Look, dilute to make 100.
Oh, so you put 25 milliliters in yours. And then look it up on 100. That's exactly what you do. What the hell? Wait, why are you using that? Wait. Our original is how you can work. Oh, it's so much there.
All good, it's all good because we're rinsing it, right? It's
Wait, are you listening to one that you start out or wait, which one's for you? Oh, I did.
Right here.
Did you not put stuff in here?
Okay.
This is our original, like.
And what did you just put in what Andrew was telling you to put?
Currently, this is probably not the way you pair it.
Oh. So does that mean this has more?
Don't
This is less molarity now? Lower concentration. Supposed to be that way.
This is like the original.
Well, I'm just thinking you guys on. Wait, you original?
Which one?
Which one you
Well, you added water, right?
Yes.
So it's less. Yeah, it's less concentrated.
Yeah, I think you. I think you help out even. You have to do it. A little bit of time. Look at our long. Does that make you feel proud? Yeah, I would feel proud too. I would feel proud. I am very proud. That's. Yeah, you too.
I'll dump this.
Yeah.
If you do your calculations, we did it correctly. You do not know that. You trust in yourself, no problem. If you don't trust it, if you don't trust in yourself, then you clearly. Nah, bro. You should trust in yourself. In fact, if you're a big. Yeah, so you're fucking in your bed. Not kidding. I don't remember what the
All finished. Rinse everything with lots of water.
You only do
Yep.
that last one.
Not really.
We. I got it. Oh wait, I love water. Look at it. I guarantee you.
Can I grab a parafill?
Yes.
Thank you. This is so fun.
When you're done, you're just gonna put down the sink, wash everything with lots of water because we don't want it salty, and then just put everything away. Yeah, perfect.
So we just take 0.5 milliliters from here and then put it in there and then make it 100 milliliters.
Yeah.
Take the parafill.
Do you want to hear a successful story of me using the spectrophotometer?
Yes.
So it was like a program that I did outside school, and then the instructor had like a red drink.
Oh,
and we
yeah.
don't know the concentration,
Uh-huh.
so we just use like percentage of the red intensity. And then my group like has to like find like dilute like 20%, 80%, and then we have to find the actual percentage of red of the unknown solution.
Yes.
And then our group got the closest percentage. It was 31% redness, and we got 30. And the other group were like so off. So I'm like so proud. So
That's awesome.
yeah, and then
That's
we make our own like calibration curve. And I remember about chemistry.
Oh
so
my God, that's
so
fantastic.
fun.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on our calculations?
See if you can taste it.
Wash everything out with lots of water so it's not salty anymore.
Let's see who's faster, bro.
Wow.
You're really down to that. Can I sign you to the Thunderbirds for chemistry, bro?
I'm already there.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
You see my baby? Maybe subjects are not together.
You put the remaining salt back?
Okay, now I'm here, right?
Spence, may I have some paraffin?
Go.
Yes.
This is my take two because I broke it last time. Thank you.
There you go.
Alright, Nathan, you want fries?
Yes, I wanna.
Bro, keep on pushing.
Let me hear for the product.
There we go. Wait, is it 100 ml? Don't we have more of this? Wait, once you have more of this?
Yes.
When we're doing experiment,
Yes.
this stuff is sometimes always will be considered contaminated and would not be used if it's like pure.
But we don't care.
We don't care. Right?
Yeah. Because that's why I'm using this.
Yeah.
They do.
What about the death? No, wait. I mean, what are they? Yo, God, what stuff is? Royal. It's the same as goblins.
Probably the best.
I think go to the
We have another pair of them.
Yes. There you go.
You know where these go?
There's a little bag on the back counter.
Oh, a bag. Miss Spence, may I go to my volunteer?
Yes.
We spent what do we do things after we were like,
You wash them out with lots of water and return them to where they came from. Your homework, because you put quiz on Thursday on sections 3.1 and 3.2. page 25, pages 45, 46. Okay, page 25, page 45, 46.
You can do the quiz today. I should just do the quiz now.
I surely I would vote, right? Oh, yeah. No, it's not. Are you saying no, do we do it? You did it? No. Alright. Wow. Some solution like I wouldn't know how to do it. What do we do for that excess salt?
I don't do it. I think accuracy is
I don't do this, but this is my like.
Yeah. Sorry, I was really
Are we ops?
No, we're best friends, bro.
Does that mean I need to prove? Me and Alvin? Oh, me and Galvin. Galvin and Alvin. Yesterday, Galvin was in college.